Hi folks, Sister McMurray here. I want to review Lesson 1 assignments with you. So if you come over here and click on Lesson 1, so we're in the content portion, click on Content and then come to Lesson 1. Then you can see all of the activities that we have to do. And in each module you can see that there are 3 in Activity 1, 2 in Activity 2, 1 in Activity 3, and all of these have due dates this week. So you can start out with questions and conversations. That's where you'll post any questions that can be answered by myself or by somebody in the class. Here's for Lesson 1, and then in Lesson 1 there's a particular part where if you have any questions, you're supposed to post. If you don't have any questions, come and choose no questions now. That's easy, and you can post there. But basically, I want you to be able to see each of the things. So once you click on the Activity 1, using these backward and forward buttons will get you to each activity in this lesson. So here's an orientation to online learning, important, because I want you to all understand what we're doing and how to do things efficiently. And then here's the lesson introduction. Each lesson will tell you why we're doing it, the estimated hour time, and then what we'll be doing. And here's the schedule. Here are things that you have to do this week. You have course introduction reading and syllabus quiz, icebreaker discussion board, chapter 1 and chapter 11 quiz, the psychology survey, and then the self-assessment quiz. Okay. Keep using your tabs and you will keep going. So this is the course introduction. You read it, go through it, and at the end, you can check the activity box below to let your instructor know that you've read it. I don't have one because this is my instructor view, but you can check the box at the bottom just to check off that you've done it. So after you finish Activity 1, it'll kick you back out so that you can see what Activity 2 is, and you can do the same thing. You click on the first one, read the syllabus, and take the quiz. So here's the syllabus quiz activity directions. Then you have to go back and look up the syllabus and come and take the quiz. And here's where the quiz will be for you. So when you want to find the syllabus, let's see, I think it's here under Welcome. And then here's the syllabus. You come read it and then get ready for the quiz back in Lesson 1, Activity 2. Okay, so that's what you'll need to do. Then you come back to Activity 3, explore iLearn resources. So once you do this, you check it off and then click over and it'll kick you back out to do Lesson 1, Activity 4. Visit instructor online office. So that should be easy enough. If you want to find my office, the easiest way to find it is to come to Overview. Here's a picture of me and my husband, or my husband and I, and here's my virtual office. Click on that and you should it should easily open into another window. You can leave me a short message. I won't be there. Or you can answer my little quiz that I've set up for you. It's not really a quiz, it's not points, but I've just left you a question that you can answer. Then come back and finish the rest. Let's see, we have Activity 5. Sorry, my AC just kicked on, if you hear that. So that's the icebreaker activity. I want you to post a picture of yourself, and you can answer as many or as little questions as you want. But I'd really like to know about you. Then, Activity 7. Here are the Chapter 1 and Chapter 11 quizzes, and then the psychology survey, and then Chapter 8 is the self-assessment and what questions you still have. So that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions about this lesson, come back to Activity 1 and leave them in questions and conversations, and either I will get to them or one of your fellow students will get to them, which is awesome. I hope you have a great week, and I hope you really enjoy this class. Thanks, folks.